Hello! Today we will be learning about shapes, more specifically 3D shapes. As we learned previously, there's a sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, triangular prism, and a cone. We are going to focus on the rectangular prism, and yes, we are going to build one today. You will need 2 pieces of paper, preferably the same size, some scissors. I will be using tape, but you could also use glue. I'm just going to be using tape today. They both work the same. Let's get started. You're going to take one piece of paper and you're going to fold one of the corners all the way down to make a triangle shape. You want to make sure that the tip is perfectly equal, as if you're splitting it in half. You don't want any excess on the sides. Go ahead and crease that all the way through. Make sure it's nice and strong. You're going to want to see that line after you open it. Now you're going to take your scissors and cut along that line to get rid of that excess paper. This is going to help us create a perfect square. As you can see, that crease line is very defined. You're going to want to do that to the opposite side as well. So go ahead and fold one corner to the other to create a new crease down the opposite side. Perfect, just like that. Now you can see both lines across this square. Now you're going to take it halfway across and pinch both corners to make sure it is equal and create this new line in the middle. You're going to do that one more time on the opposite side, bring it to the top, and go ahead and crease that. These lines that we are creating by creasing the paper are going to guide us when we are making our 3D shape. This next part may get a little tricky, so please take it slow or pause the video if needed. You will take one corner and meet it to the middle line. Make sure you are folding perfectly because you will need this crease to be very strong to create your shape. After creasing, you will do the same to the opposite side. Bring it to that middle line and crease. Now that you are done, you will repeat that same process to the last 2 sides. When you are all finished, you are going to have a bunch of lines. You will proceed by taking one corner and pinching it to the middle. This is what you will be gluing or taping together. So again, pinch that corner and glue or tape that together. I like to glue it to the inside wall that we will be creating, like this. As you can see, it's starting to get its shape. You will be doing the same exact procedure to all 4 corners. After you're all finished, it should look something like this. You should have something that looks like a square with some walls sticking up from the sides. Go ahead and secure it by adding tape to the inside or gluing the walls down completely. Making sure that the glue is dry and the walls are not falling apart is very crucial before we move on to the next step. Now that this one is done, you are good to start all over and make another one. Yes, you will be needing 2 of these to be able to complete our 3D shape. Feel free to rewind or rewatch the video to help you with the steps on how to make it. In order to complete your shape, you're going to want to pinch the walls and push one side into the other. Push slowly until the walls are all closed and your shape is complete. Your rectangular prism should look something like this. I will be using mine as a gift, so I will be decorating it with some stickers to make it look cute. I hope you all were successful in your attempt of making this 3D shape, and hopefully it comes in handy when you are needing gift boxes. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.